my name is James Beejan. I'm the agency owner here at J. Beejan & Associates Insurance Group here in Waterford, Michigan. I'm going to be coming out with a series of educational videos, tips, advice to save you money on your premiums, how to maybe lower your premiums, and just give you some good inside advice that I deal with on a daily basis. Today's series is going to be, when should I make a homeowner's claim? You know, property insurance has went up just like everything else, add inflation, rebuild costs, materials. So you really want to make sure when you make an insurance claim that it really counts. Insurance in general is used for catastrophic, purposes. So for example, a homeowner's claim you should never really make unless it's, really catastrophic. Now why is that? Well, that's because typically claims follow you as you shop for other insurance, as you move on and look for better rates. Claims follow you for up to 5 years. So if you're going to make a claim, you really want to make it count, meaning it should be a catastrophic, less dire situation, circumstance. So let me give you an example. Let's just say a few shingles blow off your roof. The first thing that you think of is, I need to call and make a claim. Well, let's think about that for a minute. What I would suggest is that you contact your agent first. Let them know of the situation and get an estimate first. Let's see what we're looking at. All too often, I'll run an insurance quote and I'll see, we run what's called a clue report. The clue report will tell me of any property losses on the property. All too often I see 0 paid claims. Well, what is that? Well, let me give you a scenario. So basically, the shingles blow off the roof. You call the insurance company, say, send an adjuster, I want to make a claim. Adjuster comes out, writes up the estimate, and it's $600 to repair those shingles. Your deductible's $1,000, so obviously it doesn't make sense to make the claim. However, even if you retract the claim, in some cases, a 0 paid claim will be on that clue report, which does technically affect you. Now, why is that? Well, as you're shopping with new carriers and they run these clue reports, they'll see a 0 paid claim. And in their eyes, sometimes they look at it like, well, he has a propensity, or they have a propensity of wanting to make claims, hence they surcharge you. So whenever you basically want to make a claim, make sure, get an estimate first, talk to your agent, make sure it makes sense to make the claim, and then move forward. All too often I see these 0 paid claims, and it's just a matter of contacting your agent. Most agents will, basically tell you to, let's get, some type of estimate. Let's see what we're looking at before we call and make that claim. It's just going to save you money in the end. Look for another series of videos here soon. We'll cover things from auto insurance to roadside to all the things that you'd like to know about and some detailed information on how you can save money. Thanks for watching this video, and I appreciate it. Enjoy your day.